Hello, my dear students. I am G. Shivakumar, School Assistant in English at ZPHS Chityala of Pedwangara Mandal in Mahbubabad district. In this video, you are going to know a heart-touching story of Bayaji from Maharashtra, and you also know the caste weekly society in Bayaji's time. The present story, The Storied House, Part 1, is in the fifth unit of our syllabus. The fifth unit is about social issues. Here I would like to quote Rabindranath Tagore's lines from his book Gitanjali, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. Children, can you say the answers of the following questions from the above lines? What do the above lines talk about? The above lines talk about the heaven of freedom in which people are not divided on the basis of their caste, creed, color, religion, language, culture, food habits, etc. What does the expression the narrow domestic walls mean? The expression the narrow domestic walls means communal differences and casteism that can be harmful by raising the walls of separation and narrowness between man and country and country. Now come into the story. The Storied House, Part 1. Storied means having specified number of floors of a building. It is a story written by Vaman Govind Hoval, is a well-known Marathi writer for his concern for Dalits, who are the victims of social injustice. In this lesson, he draws the picture of the caste weekly society very well. Bayaji, a Dalit, left his native village to work as a laborer in the dockyard of Bombay. After reaching the age of 60, he retired and brought back his savings to settle at his ancestral village. He got on the bus which was going to his native village. Something really wrong with the state transport bus. It had come up the winding road in the mountains as if with a lifetime effort. The road was now downhill. Downhill means down the slope of a hill or descending. And a bus moved as slowly as sick man walking with the help of another. It reached the plain where the dispensary building was situated and stood still like an obstinate bull. A dispensary means a room in a hospital with medical supplies or a small clinic. Obstinate means immovable. Now the destination was hardly. Hardly means only just a mile or two away. A mile means 1.609 kilometers. But the driver was sore and the conductor had no option but to be silent. Here sore means upset or angry. When they realized that the bus wouldn't move any faster, a couple of passengers exclaimed, "God damn it!" for a bloody nuisance. Here, "God damn it" means an expression used to show that someone is angry or annoyed. The conductor asked the passengers to get on and they all put their strength together to push the bus. Having gained this initial momentum, the bus started. Initial means basic or beginning. Momentum, a force that is gained by movement. The bus started. Passengers clambered up, jostling one another. Jostling means pushing roughly against somebody in a crowd. The conductor rang the bell and the bus gradually took on speed. It entered the village reluctantly, like a truant child being dragged to school. Here, reluctantly means unwillingly. Truant child, a child who stays away from school without permission. As it wouldn't, as it wound means turned its way through the curves on the outskirts. It groaned and croaked like a hen about to lay eggs, and stopped with a bang in front of Bujaba Patil's residence. Groaned means made a long deep sound. Croaked means made a rough low sound. Bang means a sudden loud sharp noise. As it halted means stopped. It gave a big lurch. Lurch means a sudden strong movement, sending the passengers helter skelter, churned like water in a pitcher when the carrier stumbles. Helter skelter means done in a hurry and in a way that lacks organization. Pitcher means a large jug. Churned means moved vigorously. Carrier, here bus, stumbles, move in a unsteady way. All the passengers got down. The coolie put his hand on a huge wooden box and shouted, "Whose box is this?" Huge means extremely large in size. Bayaji, who was brushing away the dust from his body, answered, "Oh, it is mine. Please lower it down." Here, brushing means clearing or removing. The coolie heaved and grunted as lowered the box, which Bayaji caught with ease. With ease means easily. Bayaji had packed his entire household goods in this box. There was no longer any reason to hang around in Bombay. Here, hang around means stay in place. He had worked honestly for the past 35 years in the dockyard. Dockyard means a place where ships are built and repaired, and had retired from service 2 months before. Not that he had held an important position, he had merely means only, got an extension for 2 years. During that period, he had become a supervisor. Otherwise, his entire life had been spent lifting heavy loads. He had worked very hard whenever he could, day and night. Bayaji had crossed 60 but was in sound health. Here, sound health means good health. He had a sturdy frame right from birth, and hard work had given a well formed shape to his strong body. Here, sturdy means strong. He paid 15 paise to the coolie, put the box in which he had thrown pots and pans and sundry other things. Sundry means miscellaneous. On his own head and began to walk in the direction of his house. Here I have given glossary from the above paragraphs. Here I have given some star marked words which are very important for exams. Storied, having a specified floors of a building. Winding, curving, downhill, down the slope of a hill or descending. Plain, a large area of flat land with a few trees. Dispensary, a room in hospital with medical supplies or a small clinic. Obstinate, immovable. Hardly, only just. Mile, 1.609 kilometers. Sore, upset and angry. God damn it. An expression used to show that someone is angry or annoyed. Initial, beginning or basic. Momentum, a force that is gained by movement. Clambered, a force that is gained by movement. Clambered, climbed up difficulty. Jostling, pushing roughly against somebody in crowd. Reluctantly, unwillingly. Truant child, a child who stays away from school without permission. Wound, turned. Outskirts, the parts of a town or city that are furthest from the center. Groaned, the parts of a town or city that are furthest from the center. Groaned, made a long deep sound because something or somebody was upset or in pain. Bang, a sudden loud sharp noise. Halted, stopped. Lurch, a sudden strong movement. Helter skelter, done in hurry and in a way that lacks organization. Pitcher, a large jug. Carrier, vehicle, here bus. Stumbles, moves in a unsteady way. Huge, extremely large in size. Brushing, cleaning or removing. Heaved, uttered a sigh. Grunted, made a low rough sound. With ease, easily. Hang around, stay in place. Dockyard, a place where ships are built and repaired. Held, had a particular job. Merely, only. Steady, strong and solid, vigorously. Sound health, good health. Frame, the form or structure of a person's body. Sundry, miscellaneous or various. The remaining parts of this lesson, Storied House Part 1, will be taught in the second video. Thank you one and all.